Hey everyone, Assalamualaikum. This is Mr. TECHFOX here and welcome to a new video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to set your bio on Facebook. If it helps, please consider subscribing and liking the video. First of all, open the Facebook app in your phone. And now log in with your email and password. After then, you will see an interface like this. Normally click on this 3-bar and select your profile. Here you will get edit profile option. Choose it. And inside of it, scroll down a bit and choose bio and click on this add button. And now describe yourself. For example, student, mentor, developer. I'm setting this bio on my Facebook profile and clicking on this save button. And that's it. This is my bio right now. If I refresh the page, here you will see that this is my bio. So that's all for today's video. Thanks for watching.